We have so many videos to film, and I honestly don't have time for the wardrobe change today. Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another marathon. This is video number 2 for the night, and I'm going to unbox some skincare that was sent to me from a company on Amazon. They sent me a load of goodies, and I can't wait to begin using them. So I want to talk to you all about it. So if you want to find out more, then just keep watching. It's got a lot of this stuff in here. The company reached out to me. I was able to select quite a few of the products that I received. Some of the products that I wanted to try out were out of stock, so I'm hoping that I will get an opportunity to try them later on in the future, but I'm gonna work with what I have right now. Let me see if I can pronounce these correctly. These are Korean beauty brands. Donggingbi, Enough Project, or Medeka Derma. They had 3 products that they sell on their Amazon page that I was able to choose from. So I picked a little bit of everything. Some of the things I wanted, they were out of stock, and so they sent me some substitute products. So let's just see what I got. I'm gonna just take everything out of this box to make it easier. It was shipped via UPS. Okay, and they sent a card here. It has my actual name here. It says, "So excited to introduce you to Donji by USA, which recently launched in the US on Amazon. Looking forward to hearing your thoughts on the products." And then they have their hashtags here. So that was nice. So let's see what we have. I have so many products. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products, 8 products. I'm not gonna need skincare for at least a year or so. Seriously. Okay, let's start with the Enough Project. So they sent me this product from the Enough Project. I wanted this one because it was an all-in-one essence. So I'm thinking all-in-one would include, maybe I would need a moisturizer if I use this. The one thing about using Korean skincare is you're not always sure what their intent is. It's not always easy because this is not all written in English. But I'm gonna try this out. I like using Essence. Essence is almost to me like a liquid moisturizer, but it is a liquid that you apply first before you apply other skincare, and anything you apply after Essence is better absorbed into the skin. So this is all in one. So I'm thinking that maybe I could just use this and not have to apply a moisturizer. Well, let's try it. Ooh, okay. Oh, that might be what this is, because this is a little thicker than an Essence might be. It feels like a lotion. So it might be more like a moisturizer, serum, and an Essence all in one. It definitely feels more like a serum consistency. So can't wait. That felt nice. Oh, I think this is almost fragrance free. Like the fragrance is so subtle and so light that it might just be the actual products or the ingredients that's in the product, not any additional fragrance. I can barely smell anything at all. This is nice. This almost could be used as a primer too. Sort of like the Versali serums are, because it's giving me a little bit of a tacky feel too. So yeah, so that's exciting. Moving on. This is the Red Ginseng Moisture and Balancing Softener. One thing you guys should know, Korean skincare is good. I think that Koreans have beautiful skin, and I think that they pay attention to their skin. This is the bottle, and it is white, so it might be hard for you guys to tell what it looks like. And I don't know how to open this one. Oh, it has a pump. I'm still gonna try this one too, just to see what I have here. Okay, this is a clear gel, a clear serum, and you can tell it's not super runny because it's not moving that quickly. Oh yeah, oh, it feels very soft and hydrating. Ooh. This smells like cucumber, like actual cucumber, not fake cucumber, like things that are mimicking the smell of cucumber. It smells like a cucumber that I just placed on my salad. There's a little pamphlet with this one, but I'm not sure if anything is in English. These products look to be very luxurious. They don't look cheap. They don't look cheap at all. This is the Red Ginseng Moisture and Pure Cleansing Foam. I think I asked for the cleansing foam. I wanted a cleanser. Cleanser is a product I go through quite quickly. I re-up on skincare more than I re-up on anything. Like certain makeup products you go through quickly, like mascara and things like that, but foundations take a while. But skincare, if you're using skincare properly and you have a morning and a night routine, you're going to need to repurchase it a lot. So I wanted some cleanser. This one is closed. I'm not gonna open this, but I can't wait to see what this is about. And it's a foaming cleanser. So lovely. Now we have the Red Ginseng Moisture and Balancing Emulsion. The other one was softener, and this one says emulsion. So I'm betting that this has more oils or something in it. I'm wondering. They look the same as far as the bottle. Let's put this one on this hand just so I can see what if it's any different. Oh yeah, very different. I think that the other one that came in that bottle was a clear, and this one is white. This has a little bit of a tacky feel, and it felt like it had a little more moisture. If you have dry skin, you might, and I'm just speculating, the way it just felt going on, the one with emulsion might be better if you have drier skin, or if you're feeling extra dry at the time. So I would say this one needs to be for dry skin. The softener might be for us combo and oily girls. This is $18.99 single essence. So it's another essence product in a nice red bottle. And I'm not telling you guys how much is in it, but I can't see it. I don't know. But these are significant size containers. I would say if you want to know more about each individual product, go to those website links, because that's going to give you more details about the products since I'm just unboxing. This looks like it is going to be more like my traditional essence. See how you can tell it's a liquid? It is not a serum-y. It's more like water. So let's see. Oh yeah. And it has an opening like this. It's not open, but that's usually what my essence looks like. I do use essence. I use Shiseido essence. I bought one recently from Shani Darden. Those are the two that I'm using right now. I have one in my apartment home. The Shiseido is there. And then I have the Shani Darden here. So I do use an essence. It's not a toner, but it's kind of in the place of toner. So if you're feeling dry, that's what you might use, and then you may use a toner instead, or you can use both. But it would be at that step in your skincare routine where you might apply toner, is when you would use an essence. Everything I am unboxing looks high-end and looks very nice. This is the Red Ginseng MI Mask Stick. I don't know what a mask stick. This was one of the products that they sent me that I didn't choose because some of my products were out of stock. But it looks like these are face masks. Like maybe these are sheet masks. That's what I'm guessing. It's a sheet mask. Looks to be 5 maybe. There are 5 masks in here. A lot of the sheet masks that I use are Korean beauty products. I think just about every sheet mask that I've ever tried was a Korean skincare sheet mask. So definitely, I'm sure that that's going to be good, and I'm looking forward to trying it. I'm down to the last couple of products. This is the Red Ginseng Daily Defense Essence. That is really pretty. Okay, so this one comes in a little bottle with a dropper. Oh my gosh, this has that same dropper that my Lancome serum has. It's the exact same type of container where you open it and the dropper automatically gets the amount of product that you need. And then you just use the dropper top to dispense the product. So it automatically goes into the dropper as you're opening it. That's expensive. That's really nice. So let's see if it feels like a serum, y'all. Let me just put a little bit and see kind of does it feel more like a serum. I like how that feels, and this also smells a little bit like cucumber. All of this feels magnificent. It feels a little bit like a serum. It feels a little bit like a serum more so than a liquid essence, but it feels good. Last product. Ooh. That's really pretty. This looks like a box. Oh yeah, this is the eye cream, I think. This is the Red Ginseng Power Repair Intensive Eye Cream. And it has a spatula. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there, let me pull it out here. There is a little spatula that comes with it, and that is nice. It's got the company name written here on the spatula. And then this is the eye cream. Oh, and it's sealed as well. Oh, that's nice. I am so excited. I have issues with dark circles. I'm aging, and so I have wrinkles underneath my eyes and dark circles. So I do use eye creams to help combat the signs of aging. So I specifically asked for this eye cream because I bet it's good. I think everything is probably good. Just by the way everything has felt going on, I can tell that this is more high-end and that it is probably going to lead to very beautiful skin. So that's my unboxing of everything. I know that doesn't tell you much about every single product. Again, it's kind of difficult when it's a Korean or Asian skincare product because I can't read everything. So I would advise you to visit the website so that you can read up on the product and do your research and find out more about it. But my experience with Korean skincare has always been very good. So I am going to try all of these products out, and I will be sure to provide you guys with updates down below in either the comments or the description box. So be sure to check back there. Give me a little bit of time because I would like to try them out for a month or so to see how I really feel about them. But be sure to check down below to find out my thoughts on these products, and also click the links down below, visit Amazon so that you can find out more about each product. So thank you so much for joining me for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will respond. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button before you leave. So I'll be seeing you guys again very soon in my next video. So until the next time we meet again, this is Savvy signing out.